Yes, please continue, Mr. Hawk.
I don't want to belabor the point, Chair. We've made our submissions. Realistically, for Major General Sonono to meaningfully engage with the evidence and take proper instruction, the realistic timeline is 48 hours, and we would request your indulgence to file a witness statement by close of business on the 3rd of June. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you, Ms. Talk. General, a very good morning to you.
Morning, Commissioners.
Thank you. We will stand down for a very short time. I won't say how long. We'll just indicate when we are ready. We want to talk about the timeline for the filing of the general statement. Let's adjourn.
All right, we are ready to resume. Please make sure that your devices are on mute or off. Thanks.
Ms. Talk. Our experience is that once a statement is filed, the evidence leaders usually have to prepare bundles of documents that relate to the statement. So if that gets done only from, say, the evening of the 3rd, there's a question of when does it get finalized. And we too must get those bundles in time for our preparation as well. So there are practical considerations. You have basically the whole of today because it's still early morning. I'm giving the ruling now. I'm no longer engaging you, Mr. Hawk. So you basically have the whole of today. You have the whole of tomorrow. That should give you're instructing attorneys and the general enough time to prepare and finalize the statement. A long time ago, I was also in practice and as an advocate, a senior counsel, we used to work into the wee hours of the morning, 3, 4 a.m., and your clients would not believe it when you issue a statement and you say you worked for that long. They would say, does this counsel mean that they did not sleep at all? And yet it actually happened, and I know it continues to happen. So I will expect the same of you. So my ruling is that the statement must be filed by close of business. In fact, I could even be kind and say midnight. Would that work for you? Tomorrow, though. It
Okay.
should.
Ms. Tusk, I
12
would seem to plead for midnight.
12 midnight tomorrow, Mr. That is the ruling.
We're indebted, Chair, and I assure you nothing has changed in terms of the sleepless nights culture at the
I'm
bar,
happy.
whether you're a junior or senior. So we're indebted to the Commission.
I'm
Thank you.
happy. Thank you very much, Mr. Thank you. General, you are directed to be in attendance at 9:30 on Friday, 5 June 2026. Thank you very much, General.
Thank you, Commissioner.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chair.
You are excused, Ms. Talk, and
Thank you, Chair.
Thank you.
Chair, as they gather their bags, we are ready with our second housekeeping issue.
Perhaps let me just quickly deal with mine. I just wanted to say that because of serious time constraints relating to the preparation of our second interim report, the ruling on, or rather the reasons for the ruling, the reasons for the recusal order in the Mr. Brown Mokhotsi matter are not ready, but they will be circulated not later than this coming Friday.
Noted. Thank you, Chair. Chair, our second housekeeping issue is we have a witness scheduled for tomorrow. The witness himself has brought an application for a partial in camera, which, as is tradition, has been served on the press and the media houses. That application has, in large part, I think, been disposed of, but my learned colleague here, Mr. Sikakani, will address you on that and advise the commissioners where we land on that particular application. That witness is scheduled to appear tomorrow. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Sonono. Yes, Mrs. Kakani.
Good morning, Chairperson and the Commissioners.
Sorry about that. Yes, Mrs. Kakani.
There is indeed, I'll try and not waste the Commission's time, given the time we've already spent. So as my learned senior has said, we had an application from the witness who's scheduled to appear tomorrow. And that application, you should have a file which is called in-camera application. The representatives for the media are present today. They must.
Can you please place yourselves on record?
Thank you, Chair. It's a pleasure to appear before you.
Thank you.
It's Ben Winks from the South African Bar Association.
WCKS. WICKS.
NKS.
Oh, Winks.
And I'm joined by Mr. Charles Duplessis from Willem de Klerk Attorneys. We act for Media 24, Daily Maverick, and the editors of Daily Maverick and News 24. It's correct, as my learned friend says, that an agreement has been reached, and there's no dispute, as I understand it, certainly between the evidence leaders and the media, and as I understand it, with the witness as well.
Thank you. So does that mean council will be handing up the
Chairperson, just for the record, I was referring you to the file from the.
Thank you, Mr. Winks.
Apologies. I was referring to the application itself, the file that you should have, just to confirm the witness's agreement to the terms of the proposed draft. You'll see it at page 22 of the second folder, which is correspondence.
Yes.
Thank you. That should then confirm that all the three parties are aligned in terms of how the witness will testify tomorrow.
And for the record, the witness is called I, witness I. Thank you. Thank you. I rule as follows in accordance with the consent order. Can both counsel please clarify this? Paragraph 1 of the order, there's reference to the witness's name. And then in the agreement as well, his email, it says that I give permission for the media to mention my name as it has already been mentioned. So in the ruling now, I should just mention the name because that's what the witness says.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.
Okay. Thank you.
We confirm, Chair.
Thank you. Now the ruling. 1. By agreement and consent between the parties, Lieutenant Colonel Duma's evidence on 2 June 2026 or until such time that he is excused by the chairperson will be heard publicly via audio link and his face or visual features will be concealed. And 2, members of the media and any person granted access to the proceedings are prohibited from publishing, broadcasting, disseminating, or otherwise placing in the public domain any image, photograph, video footage, or other visual material that may reveal or tend to reveal the face of Lieutenant Colonel Duma. I hand down the ruling. So basically, we forget about witness I then.
Indeed, Chair.
Yes.
Apologies.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, Chair.
Thank
May
you,
we
Mr.
be
Wings.
excused?
You are excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Chair.
Thank you, Chair.
Thank you, Mrs. Kakane.
Thank you, Chair.
Thanks.
Commissioners.
That would then deal with the housekeeping issues for the Port Shepstone stream. But we have Mr. Charles Colson here, who's got his own housekeeping issue to deal with. So if I may invite him, thank you.
Yes, Mr. Shaskelson.
Thank you, Chair. Chair, Mr. Karim had been subpoenaed to attend today. We received a medical report, and I understand Mr. Karim's legal representatives are here.
Let's adjourn perhaps and let's adjourn and come back just now.